to improvise these three metrics, correct? Crawl frequency, CTR, and engagement. And all these implementations, even the one which we have discussed earlier, XML sitemap, HTML sitemap, robots.txt, to create convenience for the bots or save bots energy, right? Same way, there are a couple of other implementations. We are not just out saving the bots energy, but we can also deviate bots energy to valid URLs on the website. Valid URLs on the website, we can decide to communicate certain other things to bots, not to wait. I mean, like, I'll before that we will discuss about the problems. That's when you will understand what is this canonical tag. Okay. So during robots.txt discussion, we also discussed that dynamic pages that get created on the website, correct? Something like URLs containing question mark. You can't understand, by the way, because you were absent for classes, right? You're nodding your head. That's okay. That's needed. Crucial skill. Okay. Anyways, so dynamic pages will get created on the website, and if you look at this dynamic pages, these pages will be exactly same as their parent page. Let me take this example, Flipkart. So now you all have to remember one thing: for every page, there will be a unique title, description, H1 and SEO content. You are going to dedicate set of keywords for every single page, correct? Apple page will be optimized for apples, banana page will be optimized for bananas, grapes page will be optimized for grapes, correct? Correct. Now, if another page is getting created like grapes, grapes hyphen one, which keywords are you going to optimize for it? If it was at least a black grapes or green grapes or red grapes or seedless grapes, seed grapes, you would have optimized it with the respective keywords. Correct? Red grapes, green grapes, seedless grapes or seed grapes, something like that. Correct? But now there's no difference. There is only one, or maybe let's take seedless grapes only. Again, one more page gets created, seedless grapes hyphen one. Which keywords will you optimize for this hyphen one or hyphen two page? Or question mark one page, question mark two? All the information basically on this page is going to be same, copycat, exactly the same. It's the replica of parent page or original page. So in which scenario such pages will get created, I'll show you. Let's take fashion.
Sir,
Yeah.
sorry to interrupt. Sir, today what is the topic, sir? Which tag we are seeing
I
now?
just showed you. I'll be discussing about canonical tags, no index, no follow, and the template titles, descriptions, and we will internal linking mesh, and we'll wind it up for today. Image optimization. These are the topics. I told I'll next class. Today we'll finish off up to here, and next class we'll start with technical SEO. Is what I told. Correct? You're not attentive, Gautam.
Sir, I'm seeing, sir. The video is stuck, so I couldn't see properly. That's the problem.
Oh, my this current screen is stuck.
No, sir. Maybe my side also maybe problem.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So today we are discussing about the canonical tags in SEO. Canonical tags. So when does this come into picture? It's like a warrior, a soldier who comes to save you, all of us, suddenly when we are in deep trouble, right? Canonical tag is one such thing. It comes and saves bots energy. I'll show it to you now. Okay, let's go through this. Men's t-shirts, right? Observe this. T-shirt starts at rupees triple one online at best prices in India. Flipkart. This is the title, right? Description, it will be there in the head section, and this is the content. If you see this, and there are so many t-shirts, right? Now look at this. When I click on 2, it's going to be, the URL is changing now. I don't know if you have observed it or not. The URL changes and t-shirt starts at triple 11 is same. Let me show you the difference. Observe this. This is the parent URL. PR question mark SID equal to CLO hash ANDK EDY something. Now, but that one and this one are different. You see cash 2 percentage 2 cash percentage 2 can something, correct? Both are different URLs, correct? Correct? Both are different. But now when you look at the information, the title, description, the SEO optimization, both pages are optimized for same set of keywords. Now for buy t-shirts online, which page should Google display on Google? Why first page? Google has no such partiality. First page, second page. If you are telling that all three pages or all 20 pages, I don't know how many are there here. See, there are so many. Even if you go to 10th page, see its URL changes, the listing, products listing also changes. The t-shirts also changed. But now for search engines, this URL is changing, listing, they don't care what is there, but content, title, description. It's all speaking about the same thing. Correct? Now, which one should Google consider? When 10 pages are there speaking about the same, correct? Not like that. First of all, it's landing into a confusion. Every page is telling I am t-shirt, I am t-shirt, I am t-shirt. So how awkward it's going to be and how difficult it's going to be for all of you are using only one single name. Man, woman, human beings. We cannot discriminate people, right? We all have got unique names, right? It's quite difficult. See now here the problem is we call this as cannibalization. So where exactly another URL gets exactly another URL will be targeting the same keywords. You have opened a shop. Next to you, another two shops will get open. Same product, same service, same price, same quality, everything same. What happens now? You lose business, right? So now, same way, this are getting created. Multiple versions are getting created with same title, same description, same SEO content. So now, what happens here? Google starts ignoring both of them, all of them. Here, these also will start losing their credibility or value or what they are getting into conflict. So there can be only one first prize. Both of you are quarreling. I am first. I am first. I will tell nobody is first. Just get lost. Correct. If one of them will be first rank and another will be obviously second place, runner, winner, correct. First prize, second prize. Everybody are see. You cannot say that I have draw that and all. That's different thing. Let's assume two people are fighting for same thing. There is only one thing. What happens? Someone have to be killed, right? Murder. Huh? No, what you will do, Gautam, if there is only one and Harry Gautam left, Praveen, Sneha, Marvin. So what will you do? There is only one. Two people are quarreling. So I see there is only one remote at home, TV remote. There is only one TV remote at home. Both of my sons will quarrel for it. What should I be doing now? What is the solution? Anybody?
Not sure because it's like at the same time they're fighting. I mean, basically,
Yeah, they
but
want to see if both of them wants to see TV at the same time. If one takes the remote, another one also comes. Even I want to watch TV.
I mean, we have to just give choose one option. Anything.
What is that option going to be?
Okay, that I'm not sure.
That's a puzzle interview question to be solved. A problem solver can solve this. Every month I'll buy one new remote, TV remote. One gets angry on another, that they will throw the remote. New remote, next day there won't be the remote cap. Okay, anyways, now you understand the conflict or the problem that we get into, right? When two people quarrel for the same thing. Now think of me and my wife also quarreling for the same remote again. How awkward it's going to be, correct? All four of us will be quarreling for the same remote, right? So something like that happens here, right? Maybe my dad and my mom might tolerate all of this, seeing all of this, we four quarreling for a remote. But Google will not tolerate. Google will just abandon. Google will just ignore. So this will get impacted severely. Where, see, what happens is maybe Google initially tries to rank two of your web pages on Google. Maybe I'll take one example. Uh, yeah, you see here one and two. Okay, one and two. Okay, okay. Now Blinkit has only one web page. This is sugar toy. sugar toy, not candy. Huh? Doll toys. Okay. So now look at this. Blinkit has only one result. Now this has two results. This has two results. Now CTR, let's assume, see you all know CTR is one of the key factor or metric to rank your website on the top, right? Let's say this has CTR of 8%, this has got 7%, this has got 4%, and this has got 3%. 4 plus 3 average, how much it is? 3. 3.5. Average is 3.5, which is lower than this still and lower than this. See, when you have two results showing up for the same keyword, your CTR gets splitted and the average will be just 3.5. If this result was not there, see 4% is CTR to this, 3% is CTR to this. Probably it would have come to now one when this is not showing and only this was showing. Probably everybody would have clicked on it and it would have got at least 6.5 CTR. And now Google considers 6.5 CTR and ranks this website on above Candra Foods. Now, just because the CTR is getting split, 4% are clicking on this, 3% are clicking on this. See, total overall visits they are getting 7%. But now, when they check it in terms of average, it is 3.5 only, correct? So, when the CTR is breaking, they are losing, they lost over the CTR measure. They might have very good crawl frequency and very good engagement, but CTR is bad, and hence it's moved down. So now you don't have this, just have only one. Now people will click only on this result and they will not click on it, right? Correct. If it is not there, they will click only on this, right? Even if instead of 7% together, even if clicking 6.2%, this would have moved top. This percentage, let's assume this is 6. And now if this is achieving 6.2 CTR, this will move to the top. See, cannibalization will lead impact on your CTR, and when your CTR is getting split between two web results, see the reason why Candra Foods is also not ranking in the top could be its CTR, some amount of CTR must be getting split between these two URLs. This is called as keyword cannibalization. For the same keywords, two web pages will start ranking and eventually they lose. It's something like in elections you must have seen when there are multiple parties coming in, the votes will get split and nobody wins. Again they have to merge to form a party, correct? Now I am suggesting the same, just merge these two and have only one result. I am suggesting this to Google, Amazon, merge these two and have only one result. So instead of people voting to this new party, maybe 60 people, maybe at least some 10% would still go and vote for somebody else. But this forms major, right? At least when more people are clicking on this, when this is completely killed, obviously there's no chance. They have to click on Amazon this result only. I don't know how many of you are getting this. Basically, when for the same set of keywords, when there are multiple pages competing to rank on Google search results, it's called as cannibalization. Okay, this cannibalization would impact on your CTR, and if CTR is getting impacted, it will move down. This cannibalization might also impact on engagement as well, and again your result moves down. Correct? Are you all getting it, guys? Any questions? Any doubts here?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So that's why we don't want two web pages to be competing for the same. Now it's something like this: two parties are competing in the same state. 10 parties are
Sir,
competing. Yeah.
sir, I got doubt, sir. Suppose you're running on digital marketing company, the same product, the two company will approach and asking to do digital marketing. In this case, what we need to do, sir?
That is different result, right? Here it is same websites, results pertaining to the same website. That's where I was coming in. Same state. I just started with the same state, 10 parties. So
Okay,
now,
sir.
if there are 10 different parties in the same state, earlier let's assume there were only two parties in the state. Votes will get split between those two parties. Now, 10 more new, credible, highly influential people have started their parties, and all the votes will get splitted, and nobody will have majority. Correct? Do you all understand all this politics thing?
Yes, sir.
Right? So now nobody has majority. You know, for majority, what is the majority in the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, all these elections? Number of seats that you should have to become a winning party, ruling party.
Yep.
Even I don't know, man. Let's assume some 120 or 180 seats, 140. Let's assume some 120 seats out of 256, something 250, 240, something 120. If nobody is getting majority, if everybody are getting only 20 seats, 10 parties, 200 seats, or 25 seats, now what happens now? To form a new party, they all will combine, correct? Some 5 parties should combine now. Are you all understanding this? That's when they form majority, and now these 5 parties will not come into rule. They will just support one party A, party B, C, party D, party E, party F. All of these political parties will support party A and make them winner. Just because political party A is the ruling party now, political party might give some positions or posts to people from other parties because they have helped them to win. So here it is something like that. The energy everybody are losing when there are multiple results from the same in say it's like say in same state multiple parties coming in. See now these 10 parties if they have formed in different states, no competition. The basically the energy would have not got split. The voting bank would have not got split like that. Correct? They would have made a majority by themselves instead of merging and making majority. See now when there are two different players. See now I'll be doing digital marketing for Blinkit, I'll be doing digital marketing for Cantra Foods, I'll be doing for Amazon. Then there is no problem. Whomsoever has best they will be ranking. That's all. But from within the same website, when there are multiple, there is an issue. Your CTR will break, your engagement will also have a split, and obviously when it is getting splitted, when it is getting splitted, so it is lower than this, and it will be moved down. Okay. So let's assume now you have 10 acres land, Gautam. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now you are the only son to your father. Your father has 10 acres land.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now my father has 11 acres land. Let's
Okay,
assume
sir.
my father has 11 acres land, your father has 10 acres land. Okay. You are the only son to your father and you will be getting all 10 acres, correct?
Yes, sir.
But in my case, I'm not the only son. I have my brother. Now it gets split. Now this
Yes,
12
sir.
acres gets split into 6 acres.
Okay, sir.
Though my dad had more property than your dad, now we sons have lesser property than you
Yes, sir.
because it is getting splitted.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Now, bank is telling that, or maybe somebody is telling that to become eligible for this loan or to eligible for something, you need to have at least 10 acres.
Okay, sir.
Now gone, my criteria is gone. I don't have 10 acres. I have only 6 acres. My brother has 6 acres. If it
Okay.
was my dad was eligible for all of that because he had 12 acres, more than 10 acres. Now when it is split, when it is taking a split, nobody is winning here. Now what we will do, me and my brother will decide, okay, let's not split this. Let's give it to only one of them. I will say, brother, you only keep all of it with you. And now my brother is the only person competing with you for some political, from related to politics or something. Now he has 12 acres land. He will compete with you now. He has
Got it, sir.
higher, and now let's assume people are voting only who has more land. He has 12 acres now. Everybody votes to him, and he will win. You understood?
Yes, sir.
So exactly same thing here. The CTR, when there are two results showing the CTR is getting splitted between these two, and none of them are winning. None of them are winning over Cantra Foods or Blinkits. If this was killed, if this was merged with it, maybe this will have higher CTR than Cantra Foods or Blinkit, and this might move to the top. You all understood what is cannibalization now?
Yes, sir.
So we have to come out of this issue. Okay. So what do we do is we add a canonical tag. Maybe let's assume implementing a canonical tag to this or to this. We treat one of them as parent, one of them as superior, one of them as best page, and we add canonical to the other page. Canonical tag is a tag added in the head section of the HTML where we just put rel equal to canonical in double quotes. We will point another URL. I'll show it to you. You will in fact see that here as well. something like this. You see link rel equal to canonical href, and it is pointing to the parent page. If you see that mentioned pr question mark sid 3d clo, and this is different, and this is different. You see this percentage to cache, percentage to canc. Do you see that it's different? It's very lengthy. After ced ampersand fm, you see ampersand fm here? No, this is the original parent url. That's the original parent url. So now on this child page, we are telling that I am originated from this parent, I am copy of this parent, or all my credibility should be attributed to the parent. Do not create any kind of conflict with my parent. Let my parent be happy, let my parent be successful. We are telling that through this tag called rel equal to canonical. I am canonical, I am copy. I am copy of this parent page. We have that example here. Let's say on your website accidentally, this is the original page, kandradigital.com/manjunath, and accidentally this url gets created, Manjunath Chowdhury. You see that accidentally this url gets created, which is exactly same like this. So in that case, what you can do is you can add rel equal to canonical href this tag on this url too. It is telling that you will be adding this particular tag on this page. Manjunath Chowdhury is one page, just Manjunath is one page. The canonical tag will be added on Manjunath Chowdhury page, pointing to just Manjunath page. Rel equal to canonical href equal to I am derived out of Manjunath page, and I my all energy I am copy of, just simply telling that rel equal to copy, I am copy of Manjunath. This page Manjunath Chowdhury is telling that I am copy of Manjunath. Did you all get that? So it is, this is, let's show you, this is something like this. This is, okay, I should have done this Manjunath Chowdhury. So this got derived from Manjunath page, and on Manjunath Chowdhury page, what you will be doing is Manjunath Chowdhury is the page. This is child page. Here I'll be adding, here it will be just Manjunath. I have to edit it. I'll edit it. Inspect will allow me to edit, but not here. So let's assume this is just Manjunath, not Manjunath Chowdhury. So on Manjunath Chowdhury page, you are pointing to just Manjunath. Manjunath Chowdhury is copy rel equal to canonical and copy of page called Manjunath. Okay. On child page, this is child. On child, you will always implement this tag pointing to the parent. Did you all get that? On child page, the tag always goes on child page. On my Aadhaar card, my dad name gets printed. Not on my Aadhaar card, on dad's Aadhaar card, it's not going to be my name, correct? Did you all get that, guys? On my Aadhaar card, on all your
Yes.
the Aadhaar card, your dad name gets printed. It won't be vice versa, right? Correct? So this is the child. On child page, the parent will be printed or the parent will be pointed. So what are we communicating here through this is I am son or daughter, I am the here or child of this parent page, which is that parent here. It's going to be the parent name here. So Googlebot ignores the child page now. Googlebot basically doesn't get into this conflict. Googlebot doesn't now bring one of this page. Let's assume this is child page. If you have implemented rel equal to canonical on this page, Googlebot will never get this page onto the Google. Did you all get that? So canonical is gone away. But we are expecting bot to read all of these listings. It's going to be different on page 1, page 2, page 3, correct? We want these are all separate product pages. We want bot to be reading them. That's why we don't block the URL, but we just tell bot read the information on the web page, but do not get into cannibalization. Did you all get that? Don't compete. Don't get into cannibalization or don't compete. What is this, my God? Googling Amazon. This person. Okay, fine. So did you all understand that? See, Google has to still crawl all of this. So if you block it by a tag called no index, no follow, Google will not at all. We don't want that to be happening. We want bot to be still visiting that page and bot to be crawling all the information on the page. Just that do not bring them onto the Google and create a conflict. Do not get into cannibalization. Guys, are you all understanding it?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
Basically, what we are trying to solve here is we don't want two results coming from the same website and competing for the same keyword. But meanwhile, I cannot block this page because there is lots of information that has to be seen by bot. Look at this. I cannot block all of this. These listings are going to be different for different pages, correct? See here it is different. I don't want, these are all separate URLs. I don't want bot to be blocking them. I don't want them to be blocked for the bot. In those cases, see, to block is simple always, correct? Blocking is simple. There is a tag called rel equal to no follow no index. I'll show it to you all. Rel equal to no follow no index. You will be putting meta name title content, sorry, robots content no index no follow. If you add something like this, bot will not index this page on Google. Bot will not crawl anything on this page. Bot will just block this page showing on Google. Bot will never consider reading anything on this page. We don't want that to be happening. We want bot to be reading all of this, correct? In those cases, this is not the right tag. This is not the right tag. We use canonical tag. Okay, so pagination canonical tag is this one. Look at this. So in pagination canonical, what happens is instead of rel equal to canonical, we will put next. So on page 1 we will put next and we will point to page 2. On page 2 we put rel equal to previous and we point to previous page, and rel equal to next and we will point to next page, third page. On page 1 there will be only one tag, next page, that is page 2. I am going to lead to page number 2 also. My information is going to get copied on page 2. That's what we are communicating through next. And on second page is telling I got derived out of first page, that is rel equal to previous and first page, and I am also going to create a duplicate information on page 3, next href equal to page 3. And on page 3 it will be one will be pointing to page to previous page and the next page will be page 4. This is called as pagination canonical tag. Okay, so what Flipkart has implemented is called as self canonical. Self canonical is this tag will be there on the parent page as well. So on child page what happens is basically everything gets replicated, right? So even this gets replicated on the child page. Even this gets replicated on the child page. So my child page is, my parent page is Manjunath. On parent page I will add Manjunath only. That is called as self canonical. Canonical pointing to the same parent, nothing will happen. So now when a page gets derived Manjunath 1 2 3, it will be still pointing to Manjunath. Manjunath ABC, it will be still pointing to Manjunath. So if you see the URL like this and if you have the same URL here, it's called as self canonical. And now when anything gets derived out of this parent URL 1 2 3 ABC, automatically here it will be Manjunath only, not 1 2 3 or ABC. This is, see, we don't know on dynamic website any kind of child page would get created from the parent, right? And better, the best way to avoid is always have a self canonical, and whatever gets derived or created out of this, it's something like this. I will tell you. Okay, so you know everybody are copying your exam paper. You are fed up about it. What are you doing now? Just because people are copying, first half an hour you will write all false answers. You have fooled people whomsoever are copying you. You might later remove those pages or you do something or nothing is going to happen for you, because you are going to write exam another 2.5 hours and perfectly you are going to write. And these people first half an hour they will write all wrong answers and they will think, okay, passing marks I got, I'll leave. They'll fail. So it is like something like that, fooling the child pages. So child pages will always get derived out of parent, and obviously on child page this parent will be there still. Parent, whatsoever the parent pages, the parent URL, how many ever childs also can get derived out of parent, and all the childs will have pointing to parent URL. Okay, that is self canonical. And another one is pagination canonical. Okay, and if you want to block the web pages from your website directly, you don't want bots to be seeing them, indexing them, and you don't want bots to be crawling any information on those web pages, straight away you can use no index no follow. When you should be doing this, for example, let's say there is a your company's secret one file web page on the website, you are sharing it internally amongst the teams, and now this is being seen by bots, and bots might show them on Google like this. If you simply add rel equal to no index no follow, Google will remove it from the Google results. And that page will never get indexed on Google. You will never see that page indexing like this on Google. It can never show on Google like this if you add a tag rel equal to no index no follow. You see that here? I'll increase the size. Oh, where did it go? We are there. Yeah, you all see that? Meta name robots says to any bot content equal to do not index and do not follow any content. Do not crawl the content. No index, no follow. Do you all get that? Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. In site level SEO, another implementation is images optimization. Anybody has any questions with regard to no index, no follow? I'll just read out what's been written here. This is an HTML meta tag that goes in the head section of the HTML, which instructs bot not to index and crawl any content on the page. Okay. Why to use this tag? When you don't want a page to be shown on Google and not to be made public, mostly the personal information. When you find web pages are not necessary to be shown on Google for a different reason or for any reason, you can block your web pages. You can instruct bots not to show them on the Google. Anybody has questions, guys? Is it clear for all of you?
No, sir, no questions.
Yeah. Images optimization. Images optimization for SEO includes the following: reducing the size of images. Reduce the image sizes to as low as possible. It's suggested to have less than, not beyond. Suggested to have less than 50 KB. You will see images of 1 MB, 2 MB on your website. Okay. So your images shouldn't be that heavy. You all know, right? Why? That will impact the crawl rate. If images are 10 MB each image, how many images can you download with 10 MB data? 10 MB one image. And with 10 MB data, how many can you download? Only one, right? So if each image is 1 MB, you can download 10 images. Same is the case or scenario with Google as well. If your web pages are heavy, how many pages will it download to its server? If it is downloading to its server, then only it shows your website here. Correct? If it is not downloading, it's not going to show your website on Google. Okay? So provide all tags to see now compressing images is very important. There are so many tools, online tools available to compress. So I'll show it to you, image compressor online. Easily compress images of optimal quality in seconds. You upload 1 MB image, it might give you 50 KB image or 30 KB image. I don't know, but I don't know in the sense I have used this. But now the image which you are going to upload, I don't know to how what size it's going to convert. Correct? So just try it out. And second thing, your images should have this alt attribute field. Image ahref something, that image alt href image link, and then there will be alt equal to, alt is the field, it's a keyword place alt equal to, it's something like this, I haven't put that here. Okay, provide alt text to all the images based on the page information. This alt attribute helps bot to understand about the image. If it is mango, put it's in alt equal to mango. That's when Google bot understands the image is about mango. If it is person profile, person's photo, put the person's name. When you Google, that photo shows up on the Google. Okay, let's see, I don't know mine shows up or not. It was showing earlier and it has gone away now. So I had my personal website called Kandra.pro. I had put images. This is taken up from the LinkedIn. Okay. So all this works in a different way. Even if you are not providing information, they will somehow fetch the information from different sources also. But when there is a easy, better way, always communicating that way is super good. Always communicating it using that is nice. So image optimization, this part mostly done at the site level. This technical team, you can tell them based on the keywords. So digital marketing course, digital marketing training, or digital marketing agency is that keyword. If there are any images on that page, by default automatically they will make the same keyword to come in the alt attributes. Okay. So this one, if it is a WordPress website, there are plugins to reduce the image sizes. Images can be compressed by those plugins. Okay. Take care of the aspect ratio of the images. Sometimes images will be dragged. There is no proper clear. It will be blurred. It will be pixelated. They don't look proper, right? Image optimization. One more thing is implement CSS sprites. Did we discuss CSS sprites ever? Anybody here remember CSS sprites?
No, sir.
Did we discuss the term like Google Collage? So now you all must have seen, right? Google combines multiple photos to one photo, correct? That is called as collage, correct? Correct. Now if somebody asks you to send 10 of your photos, if you simply send collage, it's enough, right? If they have to see you just 10, like 10 photos together. So maybe forget about that example, but collage is multiple photos into one image, correct? So in CSS sprites, something like that will be implemented on the website. Let's assume now to show this images 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 images, 8 requests have to come from server to your browser. The number of requests are increasing. We are discussing in depth this one in the technical SEO anyways. Okay, but for now, what I'll do is I will combine all these images, and from server one image will come. I will be displaying from one image. I'll be displaying separately. Now let's assume all 10 of us are in a single image. Now I will display Manjunath photo separately from that same image. Only one image. All 10 photos are next to each other. Collage. From collage, I will display separately like this. Or maybe one image here in the top, one image here in the bottom. Using that single image, I split or present it that way from one image only. That is CSS sprites. We will discuss this in depth in the technical SEO. Okay. So just because image optimization has come, this is made part of image optimization. CSS sprites. Basically, instead of rendering multiple images to your browser, only one request goes to the server and one request comes to the browser. This will improve the performance of your website, the speed of your website. Okay. Okay. Do you all remember HTML sitemaps? Do you know why do we build HTML sitemaps? What is the purpose of HTML sitemaps? HTML sitemaps. Anybody here remembers the purpose of HTML sitemaps? not XML, HTML.
Uh, like testing for the URL.
No, no, no. Testing, not testing. HTML sitemaps are basically creating helping bots to navigate through multiple pages. See, you are just putting all the URLs in one file or one document. Bot which is visiting that web page will see all the URLs. Correct? Correct.
Yes, sir.
So internal linking mesh does the same thing. But then here in this scenario, we take control. So first thing what we do is we understand the complete websites. We don't want any web page to be orphan. Now let's take this website. So Flipkart number of pages indexed on Google will be in millions, some 10 million or 20 million. But will you be able to access all of them from the home page? Will you be able to access all 1 million, 10 million, 20 million pages from here? Hardly it will be in few hundreds, correct? Correct. This indicates rest of the URLs are orphans. See here in the bottom also how many have they put? They must have put some 200 URLs, correct? 300. In case if they have 20 million pages, when will bots see all these 20 million pages? They are all orphans. Orphans is they are not accessible by the bot. How do I put it across? Are you getting this example, guys? That's not
Yes, sir.
example. That's actually a fact. Bots won't be able to access. If there are 1 lakh web pages on your website, will bots be able to access all of them? No. That's when we build the mesh, we build the network where we make bot navigate from one page to the another page, another to the another page. So bot keeps moving within the website and we ensure or make sure that bot crawls every single web page within the website. That's an engineering, maybe this one. So the internal linking mesh is actually a very well developed intelligence built in order to make the bot to access every single URL on the website. That is internal linking mesh. A chain that ensures the internal links are in such a way that the chain does not break and includes linking of every single web page on the website as per the predefined linking of. So now I'll give you a different definition for this. Your internal linking mesh is basically an intelligence built in order to help the bot navigate every single web page on the website, or the other way to make sure there is no single orphan on the website. Every page has to be accessed by bot. Okay, so we are going to implement. So when bot says every single web page, that's when they will show it on Google, correct? If it is appear on Google, each page will rank for multiple keywords. Sometime back, you all remember that sugar toy. What did I search it as? Sakkare Achu online, correct? Now it is showing up here. Yeah, yeah. Achu means mold. Okay. So it is showing up here. So what is the term here? Sakkare Achu online by Sakkare Achu. Now also it's showing up this keyword and this keyword, different searches but about same product. So your work is not just bringing the website out of Google. Your work is to make this web page rank for multiple keywords like this. People will search digital marketing training, digital marketing course, digital marketing institute, digital marketing classes, digital marketing with placement, digital marketing online, digital marketing offline classes, digital marketing training near me, correct? You'll have the responsibility to make the website rank on Google for all of these keywords or variations, that particular single page. And now that will happen only when your web page gets crawled multiple times by the bots. Correct? Even if it has to rank for one single keyword, let's not take multiple, it has to be crawled by bot. If see, do you think that's accessible anywhere from the website? It's not. It's not accessible. Let me take let see I have brought you directly to this URL, but let me take you to this page. Will you think that's accessible? Maybe it could be accessible. See, it's a different page. That's not. This is not Sakkarayachu. This is different. Telugu name. This is Telugu name. That's Kannada name. Same product. Telugu name, Kannada name. Okay. So it is not accessible. How do we make accessible? Huh? Sweet, sweet. This is a different page. Now, if you have to make your web page rank like this, it has to be crawled by the bot. If it has to crawl, see now your website has not only one product or one page, right? This web page has 3000 URLs, 3000 products. And do you see all 3000 here? How many are there? Let's count. One row, two rows, three rows, four rows, five rows, six rows, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 rows. Each row has 3, 4, 5, 6. 16 into 6. 16 into 6. 96. How about remaining 2800 or 900 web pages? That's when what we do, look at this. When bot visits this page, let's say bot has visited this page. From this page, we make bot to crawl several other URLs. Look at this, not this one. This is not actually an internal linking mesh. I'll show it on our other website. We haven't implemented it on this website. I'll show you various other clients also. Now let me go to one of them. You go to any page, we have built the connections. See, if bot is visiting this web page from Flipkart, let's say I have put this URL on Flipkart. Let's say I have put this URL on Flipkart or maybe on IRCTC website or somewhere else. Now bot is visiting this web page. From this web page, bot will go to all this other web pages. You see here, Chat GPT certification in USA, cyber security certification course in Sofia. Go to Sofia again. From here, again you will see the. See now, to understand this, to think about this, it's quite simple. We have just put list of links, list of other. We made bots to access other set of pages. But there is so much of math behind this. There is so much of intelligence behind it. Correct? So this intelligence, I don't think anybody will be able to do it. We only see people would randomly put it, but here what we have done is we have assigned a priority for every product, every service. If competition is very high, ranking on Google is very difficult. If they have to rank on Google, they have to get crawled multiple times. For those pages, we would have defined those pages have to get crawled 50 times within the website. Bot has to see that URL, that product 50 times within the website. Some other product is very easy. Let bot see it 3 times, bot will show it on Google, start showing on the Google. We take control of this repetitions or iterations of bot crawling. The crawl frequency for that page. Basically, the crawl frequency. I want bot to be crawling this particular affiliate marketing training. Let's assume competition is high. I want bot to be crawling that page 50 times within the website. Some other product, let's say SEO training, competition is easy. Even if bot is crawling 5 times, that's fine for me. I will take control of this. How many times bot should be crawling this page? How many times bot should be crawling that page? Page A, how many times? Page B, how many times? Page C, how many times? So we build this kind of logic, intelligence, and we update this on every single page. And in this, if you have taken 10,000 pages, we make sure all 10,000 pages gets links within the website. And this is one of the secret sauce for the quick success. So that is what is helping to rank the website like this on Google. See, this website is much older than our website. But in just 3 months, 4 months, we made this website rank on top. Now, all this is very old website. It's struggling to take up the ranking. Why? Crawl frequency is the issue. But we have made that happen. Our crawl frequency is good. Engagement also could be good and CTR may be good. Right? Not only that, you see any other courses, SFMC training. Hey, from April, we have a programmatic advertising course and SFMC course. Salesforce Marketing Cloud, SFMC is. That is also digital marketing, but Another good domain. There are good number of openings at MNCs, good packages as well. Programmatic advertising is another course. Even that will be launched from April. If anybody is interested, if anybody in your network is interested, let me know. Okay. So you see how is this happening? All that will happen because we made this page also crawlable, and definitely you will not see where is Salesforce Marketing Cloud Dubai here. If bot has to navigate from this, bot will hardly see Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Where is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Yeah, here. Where is Dubai? Bot cannot see Dubai at all or Sofia at all. Correct? Where is Dubai here? No Dubai. But somehow still we made bot to see Dubai page through our internal linking mesh. Okay, so if bot is reading everything, bot will be able to show your website on Google. That's about internal linking mesh. Did you all get that, guys?
Uh, yes, sir. But it no, we need no. It is very difficult for to
So
understand.
internal
The,
linking mesh, what I will do is it takes 3 to 4 hours to allow the implementation method. Okay, so we have recorded this while implementing it on one of the client projects. I'll provide access to that recordings. Okay, that has
okay, sir.
got very detailed steps. First, what you should be doing. Excel, what you should be doing. Second, what you should be doing. Very detailed implementation. Make note of all these important implementation activities, and I'll be sharing you the link of those recordings, implementation from the client projects. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, for example, if we wrote, in the remote text we disallow, we wrote a code,
Sorry,
but
sorry.
in for the page we have written, no, not to index for this page for the bots.
Okay.
Through internal linking, does the bot is going to crawl for that page?
So now, if you have decided to add no index, no follow, you know that bot don't want to crawl. Why will you now waste bot energy? It's something like there are two people, there is only one medicine, right? And one is already dead, and you are trying to give medicine to the dead person. You give it to someone who is active, survived, right? Already, who is with life, right? He's alive. Give the medicine to the person who is alive. So if it is no index, no follow, don't take them into internal linking mesh at all. So here on this pages, see on this website we have only 9,000 pages allowed for crawling and indexing. Another 50,000 pages has no index, no follow. And those 50,000 pages we have not considered. Every single URL will be index, comma, follow. No index, no follow URLs are not considered at all. Did you get that?
Oh, sir, but how it is going to appear on the SERP, sir? Because it is all.
Which one? No index, no follow URL.
Sir.
It will not appear. We don't want it to be appearing, right? That's what we have put. That's why we have put no index, no follow.
For the this one, someone who clicks for the information point of view, uh, these anchor text you have created on this page, sir.
I did not get your question.
If someone comes, saying this page, if, after that he is going to click on that particular anchor text.
Okay.
For their reference, you have created this no index no follow page, right, sir?
No, 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 no. See, no index, no follow. I don't want people to be seeing at all, boss. I don't want Google. Sorry, I don't want bot to be seeing that at all. And now, if you want to say now, let's assume this is no index, no follow URL. So if it is no index, no follow, I would have definitely not added that in the internal linking anywhere. I would have shared this manually to the user. See, you seem to be not framing your question properly. First thing here, we will not have any no index, no follow URLs in this list. We have understood the status code also, right? It will be only 200 status code. Pages which has index and follow, which are being shown on Google. I'm adding no index, no follow, an instruction to bot not to. That's a different implementation. Don't bring it in the internal linking at all. So no index, no follow is a criteria or condition to bot not to index my web page on Google. Even if it is there in the internal linking, Google bot will see this page but ignore and it does not show it on Google. You all get that?
Sir.
Huh? No, not satisfied.
No, no, sir. I know, I understood. I understood, sir.
Okay. Any other questions? So last thing, templatized content, templatized title, description, H1. Okay. So you take this example only. It's all. This is all templatized title. So I have Snowflake training, 800 pages like Dubai, Chennai, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, India, Bangalore. See now it is Dubai, right? Snowflake training in Dubai. I'll change this to Bangalore and you will see it as Bangalore here. See, this is templatized H1, same thing. Number one Snowflake course in Bangalore. Bangalore will change to Dubai. Dubai will change to Malaysia. Malaysia will change to Singapore. This is templatized title, templatized description, templatized H1, and here in the bottom, it's templatized SEO content. It has Snowflake training in Bangalore and Snowflake course in Bangalore. You see that? Now, if I change this to Dubai, same thing, and you will see instead of Bangalore, it will be Dubai. Here also, see here also Snowflake training course in Dubai, best Snowflake training and certification. And now you see this Snowflake training in Dubai, Snowflake certification training in Dubai, Snowflake course in Dubai. Instead of Bangalore, it's Dubai. This is all template content. Okay. So when your website is massive, when your website has thousands and millions of pages, see for me, what is the main important criteria? This web page should have Snowflake training, Snowflake course, Snowflake certification. That's when it shows up on the Google, correct? Correct. You are saving my name as Manju and you are searching it as Kandra. Will it appear? If this contact has both Manjunath, Kandra, Chaudhary something, you put Kandra, it shows up. You put Chaudhary, it shows up. It shows. You put Manju, it shows up. You put digital market, it shows up. Correct. Same way, if I am expecting this page to show up for Snowflake training in Dubai, the Snowflake training Dubai has to be there on this page. Correct. That being the criteria, we have put the respective keywords like this. Correct. So I don't know where all it's ranking. Snowflake training in. Maybe we must be ranking here also. I don't know. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Not there. So in some reasons competition will be high. Maybe our internal linking should have not got called properly. Something or the other. Can be anything. Okay. Right. See earlier we have seen template content how we write. You can use the Excel formulas to write this, sorry, this one or this one. But alternatively, you can also, we haven't written any template titles and descriptions. We have suggested to our developers, this is give it as a variable, and based on the page, it automatically has to fill Dubai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune, whatever is needed. And we did not really write anything in Excel. Developer has done it all of that for us, including everything, even this one. We just came up with one copy, that's all. This is which maybe this one, I'll say this one. We just came up with one copy and we filled it in square brackets and told to developer automatically create the content for all the pages. Or we can do this on Excel and we can bulk upload or manually upload to the website. That's what developer has done here. Okay. Did you all get that, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's about template, title, description, content. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much about the site level. All these are on-page implementations, but since we are doing it across the website, we are calling them as site level implementations. Many people would call all of this as just on-page only. Praveen, right? Praveen,
Sir.
did you hear the term site level?
Sir?
Did you hear the term site level SEO earlier?
No, sir.
Simply they call all this on-page SEO only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or they will put them into technical SEO.
Sir, so many people they don't know. Even I also do not know what exactly the technical SEO is,
Yes.
because people says technical SEO is while seeing the URL and whether it is
See the
whether
sitemap.
can
Yeah, go ahead,
sir,
go ahead.
only sitemap and whether the site the page is having a canonical tag or robot.txt. That's it.
That's
They
it,
think
technical SEO. They call them as technical SEO. Sitemaps, robot.txt, XML sitemap, HTML sitemap, no index, no follow. Something like this, they will call them as technical SEO. Schema implementation, the snippets. But all that is on-page SEO. That is site level on-page SEO. Technical SEO, we are going to start that from tomorrow. Here.
okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, we are going to learn a lot of technical aspects. And most of you feel like, okay, this is not needed for you. We get into technicalities, a bit technical things. Okay, and after that we will start with off-page SEO. Okay, if no one has questions, we'll wind it up for today, and we can connect back tomorrow. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know.
Sir, that you said about the internal linking, internal linking. So, if you have videos, please share the
Sure,
reference.
sure, sure, Praveen.
Okay, sir.
Sure, I'll do that. Yeah. Okay then. So if you have any other questions, please ask. See, are you guys? What happened with this freelancing thing?
Sir, we are having a very less amount of time because we are working as well as attending the classes.
Okay.
I'm having a less amount of time.
Maybe after all these classes, you guys will have time for freelancing, right?
Yes, sir. Will do. Sir.
Okay. Fine then, yeah. Shall we wind it up?
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Sneha, when did you come back?
Yeah, there was a call I told now 7:30. I extended to 8:30. That's why
Okay.
I did it and came back.
Okay. No problem. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you all.
Yeah.
Bye.